Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy S26 Ultra, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the option Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. So as you can see here, we've got the graph that will show us for how long we've been using this device today. I mean the screen time, which is 26 minutes in my case. And here we've got 3 apps that we've been using with the time we've spent on them. We can tap on the graph and we can check the dashboard. For particular days of the week, we can compare them. You can tap on the specific day, you can tap on View All, and here you've got the full list of the apps that you've been using with specific time of spent on them. And if you're interested in the data for a specific app, you can tap on it. And again, you've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Here we've got the daily dashboard, and we can tap on weekly view to again check the time in specific days of the week. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.